Morning students, welcome to the virtual class of subject computers, class 3rd, lesson number 8, use safe precautions while using computers, first part. We all know that it is very important to sit in the right posture while working on the computer. Sitting in the wrong posture may lead to back pain, joint problems, eye problems, weight gain, and may also result in a lifelong journey. Due to incorrect posture, one can suffer from long-term damage to the spine and joints and severe headaches. We all know that when we are working on the desktop or laptop or we are using mobile phones, we must sit in a right posture or we must sit straight. We never use laptop or mobile phone while lying on the bed or lying on the sofa like this. Nina's victory. Do you know what was Nina's victory? She is Nina and she is Nina's mother. Nina's mother was very happy about Nina's victory. So Nina's mother gifted her a gift. What was the gift? She gifted her a computer. And what was Nina's victory? Nina helped her friend Medha. How she helped her? Who fell down during the race when Nina was just near the finishing line? Nina and her friend Medha and all other friends were uh, doing the race, and in that race Medha fell down, and what Nina did, she helped her friend Medha, but instead of finishing her race, Nina turned back to help her friend and lost her race. Nina's parents were very happy about it because mm, she helped her friend. Nina's mother says, "Don't be so scared. If you are careful and follow these simple guidelines, you will never suffer from any problems." What guidelines you must follow? First is you must sit straight and if possible support your back. When we must sit straight while working on the computer or the laptop. Second is use the keyboard with your wrist and keep your forearms straight. Third is elbow should be by the side of your body so that arms form an L shape at the elbow joint. Rest your feet on floor or on a footrest. Screen should be placed at eye level. It should not be above your eye level or it should not be below your eye level. Always sit at arm's length from the screen. Place keyboard in front of you when typing. Keep mouse closer to you. Avoid screen reflection. These are some simple steps that you must follow while working on your laptop or your desktop. Look at this picture. The person lower back support. Look, he has taken a support. You can take one cushion, small cushion or pillow if there is a gap. Elbow at a 90-degree angle. This is the elbow, makes a 90-degree angle. And feet flat on the floor, feet are touching on the floor, thighs parallel to the floor, thighs are proper sitting on the chair, and you must sit on the table also. Top of the monitor at or slightly below eye level. This is the monitor and it should be at the level of the eye level or below the eye level. This is the correct portion while sitting on the computer. Nina says, "Mother, some of my friends also use their parents' laptop, tablet or smartphone. Is there any need to take care of sitting posture while using these devices?" Mother says, "Yes, my dear, you must be careful about sitting posture while using these devices. Observe the following figures carefully to know about the correct posture. If you are using the phone, this is not the correct position because your neck is very much bent. And this is when you are using the tab, it's not a correct position. Your back gap is there and your neck is not straight. And while working on the laptop, here the level of your eye level and your screen is not at the eye level. This is not the correct posture. The correct posture is this. Your neck should be straight, and this is the correct portion, and you can see this is the correct posture. Activity. In the figures given below, tick the correct sitting postures while working on the computer. You can see between these postures which is the correct posture. Yes, this is the correct posture. And in the second picture, the girl is sitting in the laptop here, and this is the bend. In this, she is bending her back. This is not the correct portion, and the height of the table is also very low, so this is the correct posture. Thank you.